Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel, and right now is I'm going to show you on how to add guest name on your booking.com. So the first thing you need to do here is to of course go to their website. So this can be useful if you're booking for someone else or need to add a second guest. So here is open the booking.com on your browser and then go to the booking sections to find your reservations. Here, for example, to that one is right now is you are on this booking section. So here you can locate the reservation you want to update and click view or manage booking to see the details. And here guys, once you're in the booking details, you can look for an option that says edit guest details or add guest name. So as you can see here, and then click on it and then open the guest information fields. And after that one, you can enter the traditional guest names or change the primary guest name if needed. You can also double check to ensure it's spelled correctly, then save your changes. And that's it guys, you've successfully added or updated the guest name on your booking.com reservation. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video.